So, Canada's trying this whole holiday tax break thing. Sounds great, right? Like free money for presents. Well, hold your reindeer there, Rudolph. Turns out it's not so simple. The government's promising savings, but the fine print is about as long as Santa's naughty list. Canadians are excited, sure, but also confused. Are we getting a stocking full of savings or just a lump of coal? Let's unpack this holiday gift and see what's really inside. Okay, here's the deal. For a limited time only. Think of it as a holiday flash sale. You'll pay less tax on certain items. Think toys, clothes, even some electronics. Basically stuff you'd find under the tree. But hold up. Before you max out your credit card, there are rules, lots of them. Each province has its own tax rate. That means your savings depend on where you live. And then there's the fine print about which items qualify. Spoiler alert, that luxury watch for Aunt Mildred? Probably not gonna happen. So, how do you navigate this maze of tax breaks? Start by making a list of what you need. Use apps and websites to compare prices and see which items are eligible for the tax break. Remember, it's not just about saving money but also about getting the best value for your purchases. Don't hesitate to ask store clerks for help. They can often provide insights on the best deals and qualifying items. And finally, always check your receipt to ensure the tax break was applied correctly. With a little planning and smart shopping, you can make the most of these limited time tax breaks and enjoy a more affordable holiday season. Let's talk turkey. Or should I say poutine? You see, when it comes to tax savings during the holiday season, things can get a bit complicated. The tax savings aren't created equal across Canada. Each province has its own rules and regulations, making it a bit of a mixed bag. Take Ontario, for example. They're slashing the harmonized sales tax, HST, on eligible items. Sounds good, eh? But wait, there's more to the story. But then you look east to the Atlantic provinces, and their sales tax is already lower. So, while Ontario shoppers might feel like they're getting a great deal, it's not the same everywhere. So, their savings are going to be smaller. It's a bit like comparing apples to oranges when you look at the different provinces. It's like getting a gift card, but it only works at certain stores. You might be thrilled to have it, but it's not as versatile as cash. Not exactly the holiday miracle some folks were hoping for. So before you get too excited about those holiday savings, make sure you know the fine print. Different provinces, different rules, different savings. So, is this tax break a Christmas miracle or a holiday headache? Well, it's complicated. On one hand, the idea of saving money during the holiday season sounds like a dream come true. Imagine being able to buy that perfect gift without worrying about breaking the bank. Sure, you might save a few bucks on gifts. Maybe you can finally get that special something for a loved one, or perhaps treat yourself to a little holiday cheer. But let's be real, those savings could easily be eaten up by the rising cost of, well, everything. From groceries to dining out, prices are climbing, and those extra dollars might not stretch as far as you'd hope. Is this just a clever political ploy to win over voters? Politicians often make grand promises, especially around the holidays, to gain favor and secure votes, or a genuine attempt to give Canadians some financial breathing room. Only time will tell. It's hard to say whether this move is driven by genuine concern for the public or just another strategy to gain political leverage. One thing's for sure though, this holiday season it pays to read the fine print. Be cautious and make sure you understand the details of any financial offers. Happy shopping, Canada. May your holidays be filled with joy and smart spending.